Royal Enfield, renowned for its legendary motorcycles that have stood the test of time, has once again captured the imagination of motorcycle enthusiasts with the Super Meteor 650. This iconic machine blends classic design with modern power, offering riders a truly exhilarating experience. The Royal Enfield Super Meteor 650 pays homage to the brand's heritage, featuring a timeless and elegant design. It retains the classic lines and proportions that have made Royal Enfield motorcycles iconic. The Super Meteor 650 showcases a well-balanced stance with a teardrop-shaped fuel tank, long seat, and chrome accents. The attention to detail is evident throughout, from the retro-style round headlamp to the sculpted exhaust pipes, giving it an irresistible charm that harks back to the golden era of motorcycling. Long rides are a delight on the Super Meteor 650, thanks to its comfortable seating position and ergonomics. The wide and well-padded seat provides ample room for both the rider and pillion, allowing for extended hours of riding without fatigue. The handlebars are positioned perfectly, providing an upright riding posture that offers excellent control and minimizes strain on the wrists and shoulders. The Super Meteor 650 is truly designed for riders who appreciate both comfort and style. Upside-down forks on the front suspension promise complete confidence and control on open highways, crowded streets, and everything in between. Front brake single 320mm disc, rear brake single 300mm disc twin piston floating caliper both. The braking system is powerful and provides excellent stopping power, even at high speeds. The bike also features an ABS that ensures maximum control and safety in emergency braking situations. An all-new headlamp combines old-school aesthetics with modern LED lights to reduce power usage while increasing visibility, no matter where you're headed. At the heart of the Super Meteor 650 lies a powerful 648cc air-oil-cooled parallel twin engine. This engine is designed to offer a perfect balance of performance and refinement. With a strong torque output of 52 Nm at 4,000 RPM and a maximum power of 47 horsepower, the Super Meteor delivers impressive acceleration. With a focus on optimizing power delivery and fuel efficiency, the engine is designed to withstand the demands of regular use and provide a dependable riding experience. Royal Enfield is known for using high-quality materials in the construction of their motorcycles, and the Super Meteor 650 is no exception. From the frame to the engine components and other critical parts, durable and reliable materials are chosen to withstand the demands of daily riding and long-distance touring. This focus on quality materials contributes to the longevity and reliability of the motorcycle. A retro-inspired digi-analog instrument panel with a floating LCD screen and built-in tripper navigation delivers all the information you need, day or night. The engineers have meticulously crafted the Super Meteor 650's exhaust system to generate a deep and throaty sound, paying homage to the nostalgia and heritage of classic British motorcycles. When the engine roars to life, the exhaust note resonates with a rich tone, creating a symphony of mechanical music that further enriches the riding experience. The toolkit provided with Royal Enfield motorcycles is usually compact and designed to assist riders with basic maintenance tasks and minor repairs on the go. A set of Allen keys, also known as hex keys, is often provided to tighten or loosen hexagonal socket screws commonly found on the motorcycle's bodywork or engine components. Spark plug spanner is designed to remove and install the spark plug, allowing riders to perform routine maintenance on the ignition system. Wheel spanner tool for removing and installing the wheel nuts, allowing you to change or repair a flat tire, and more. The Super Meteor 650 showcases a teardrop-shaped fuel tank, a design cue commonly associated with classic motorcycles. This iconic tank shape not only provides an aesthetically pleasing silhouette, but also offers practicality by allowing riders to comfortably grip the tank with their knees. It harks back to the golden era of motorcycling, evoking a sense of nostalgia and admiration for the timeless designs of the past. The Super Meteor 650 offers excellent value for money, considering its blend of classic design, modern performance, and reliability. Royal Enfield motorcycles are known for their affordable pricing, making them accessible to a wide range of riders. The Super Meteor 650 provides an opportunity for riders to own a timeless piece of motorcycling history without breaking the bank. If you are enthusiastic about Royal Enfield motorcycles, give us a like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.